One of the questions that we get at RUPES a lot is, what is the Uno family of products and what are the differences between them? So I'm Todd Helme, the Senior Technical Advisor for RUPES USA, and I'm down here in Palm City, Florida at Autogeek in their show car garage to explain the differences, what is the overlap, how do we use these products, what should they be used for? So dive right in with me and let's learn a little bit more about the RUPES Uno family of products. So the Uno family of products means one product that can be used on all three tool movements. In the polishing world, there's three movements. You have rotary, gear-driven, and random orbital. Generally, with the RUPES Bigfoot line of polishes, we segment that out into the dual action tools, which have their own line of products, and the single action or the rotary tool, which has its own line of compounds and polishes. But Uno products can be used universally on any tool movement. That's what makes the Uno family unique. Diving into the Uno family a little bit more, we start with Uno Pure. As the name implies, Uno Pure is a pure finishing polish. It relies on the most technically advanced abrasives in any of our products to smooth away paint defects and create a mechanical shine that lasts. There's no oils or fillers or silicones in the ingredients, so you use Uno Pure to either mechanically enhance the gloss of a paint before a coating or your wax protection, or as a second step to reach maximum gloss after compounding. Uno Pure is most commonly applied with the DA Ultrafine White Foam or white microfiber polishing pads, with a dual action polisher or with the rotary Ultrafine White Foam polishing pad on a rotary application. Uno Protect is a traditional all-in-one product taken to the next level. Uno Protect has a more aggressive abrasive package than Uno Pure, so it can remove more defects mechanically, but it also features some silicones and fillers. So it is a product that has varying cut and fill depending on how you apply it. This gives Uno Protect a lot of versatility. You can use Uno Protect as a follow-up to compounding. You can use it as an all-in-one if you apply it small into little sections with a more aggressive pad. Or you can use it as an express enhancement. So we're gonna use a fine pad, usually our DA yellow fine wool pad, and you're gonna apply it to the entire vehicle before you wipe it off. And that's gonna enhance the appearance without removing a lot of paint. So it's a really versatile product that really changes its behavior based on the pad you apply it with and the application technique you use. It produces up to 90 days of really good water beading and really strong protection. It's really slick, it wipes off the surface really, really quick. So Uno Protect kind of bridges that gap, giving you really a high-end appearance with a really quick application. So it has a huge range. What pads would I use Uno Protect with? Depends on my goal. If I'm looking for paint correction, I'm gonna move up the scale. So in the RUPES lineup, it could be any of our blue dual action or rotary pads, or even the yellow microfiber or yellow wool pad. If I'm looking just to smooth the surface and create a high gloss, or if I'm applying it very quickly, I'm gonna go with anything less aggressive than the DA yellow wool pad. So DA yellow wool, DA yellow foam, or any of the white pad options in the Bigfoot lineup. The newest addition to the Bigfoot Uno family is Uno Advanced. And Uno Advanced really builds on a lot of the characteristics that we created with Uno Protect. It uses the latest in nano protective ingredients to lay down a heavy solid base that can protect up to 12 months. Additionally, that protection package is compatible with most ceramic coatings being applied to vehicles today. So now you have three application options with Uno Advanced. You can use it as a standalone product or an all-in-one to smooth the surface, enhance the gloss, and really provide long-lasting protection up to 12 months. You can use it as a follow-up step to a more aggressive compounding option to mechanically remove the pad marks and provide a long-lasting protection. Or you can actually apply it on top of an existing coating that needs a refresh. The coating's a couple years old, maybe the car's been run through a car wash a few times and has a couple scratches. This will polish the surface of the coating and replenish a lot of the protective qualities that may have been lost over time. So when to use each one? Well, we kind of broke that down, but generally if you want the highest level of shine mechanically, you're gonna apply your own paint protection coating, sealant or wax, you're going to a car show and you want the highest level of gloss from the surface, Uno Pure is the best option in our family. If you want the ultimate versatility, so you want to do express enhancements, you want to do real correction, the ability to remove up to 3,000 grit sand scratch, Uno Protect is an amazing option, and it's a great one for making a lot of money with that style of detail. Or if you want the ultimate in Uno protection. So you want up to 12 months of chemical resistance, insane water beading and slickness, or you want to apply it on top of an existing coating or a high-end standalone package, then you want Uno Advanced. All three of these amazing products, in addition to your favorite RUPES Bigfoot polishers, your favorite RUPES Bigfoot pads, and other RUPES Bigfoot polishing compounds are available at Autogeek.com.